everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make the easiest lemon meringue pie in the world. It is crazy easy. Here I've got a Pillsbury pie crust that I have already pre-baked at 400 for 10 minutes. Here I have Lucky Leaf lemon pie filling. We're going to open that up and pour it in this pie crust. Alright, we're going to spread it around. There. And now we're going to make the meringue. This is 4 egg whites. Pour it in this bowl. We're going to whip it up until it's foamy. I prefer to use a whisk to do this rather than the beaters or the mixer. These are nice and foamy now. And I'll show y'all what that looks like. Now I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to sprinkle it, hush up stove. I'm going to sprinkle it over the top evenly. And now we're going to make our peaks. This could take a few minutes, so I'm going to turn off the volume. And now our egg whites are starting to get a little bit shiny, and you want to look for that. And we're going to set this down, stir it up a little bit. Now, it makes a peak, but the peak falls over really fast. I think it needs about another 30 seconds to a minute. And now what I'm going to do is start adding my sugar. And I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup right here. I'm going to add just a little more sugar, and that'll make it about 2/3 of a cup. Okay, now that we have our meringue made, we're going to spill it onto the top of this pie. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh no! Okay, what I'm going to do is make sure that this meringue kind of seals up around the edges of this, okay? I'm throwing meringue everywhere. And I'm going to try really hard to make some pretty little swirls in this. Like this. Go a little deep with it, and then pretty little dollop on the top. Now, we're going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake it on 325 till it gets brown. This is funny. So I stopped drinking sugar in my tea because I realized that I'm drinking about 500 calories a day in sugar. How crazy is that? Because I can go through a whole pitcher a day, and I put 2/3 of a cup of sugar in each pitcher. Well, 2/3 of a cup of sugar is 511 calories. Well, it's been 3 days now, and I'm craving something sweet, and that's why I decided to make this lemon meringue pie. Because Granny can't go too long without something sweet. And I will say that I don't care if this is cooked or not. It tastes amazing right now. So anyhow, I'm going to clean this mess up, and we'll be back when the pie's finished. It is time to get this beauty out of the oven. Oh my goodness. I'm so tickled with myself. Shut up! Okay, y'all gotta see this. Okay, y'all, look at that beautiful pie. I cannot wait to slice that open and take a big old bite. Okay, so our pie is finished, but I need to clarify something. I said I was going to bake this meringue on 325 till it was finished. I decided that that wasn't high enough. I put it on 425 and I just baked it until it was brown. It took maybe 3 minutes. So with that being said, the pie crust already purchased took 10 minutes. The canned pie filling took 30 seconds. The meringue takes the longest because it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to get those egg whites into peaks. You slop it on, throw it in the oven at 425 for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how quickly your oven browns it, and it's finished. And I don't think there's anything better in the world than a lemon meringue pie. So, y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you again real soon, all right?